Welcome to the Professional Standards Training Tracker Tool Training Video Series. This is Chapter 1, Create a New eAuthentication Account. The Professional Standards Training Tracker Tool operates within the U.S. Department of Agriculture or USDA Food and Nutrition Services official website. Because this tool is operated on their official website, users must register with a USDA eAuthentication account. Creating an eAuthentication account allows a person to access any USDA application. Our Training Tracker Tool's front page contains information and links that you may use to create a new eAuthentication account. After the account is successfully created, it may be used to log into the Training Tracker Tool. This video will walk you through the steps needed to set up an eAuthentication account. By clicking the Create eAuth User Account link, you'll be redirected to the eAuthentication System's registration page for Level 1 accounts. Step 1 of the process. Users will be asked to fill in a web form with information that matches a state or government-issued identification. For the purposes of this video, we will use some information in the fields. You will need to enter a legal name and a business or work email address twice to confirm this value. Then choose a user ID. On-screen instructions will appear letting you know what would be allowed for this field. The site will require a password for the account. Set one that matches the stated rules that appear on the screen. Please ensure that the same password is entered in the confirmation field for it to be accepted. At the bottom of the screen, there are security fields. You must select a security question in each drop-down and provide an answer in the text field provided. There are 4 different questions required, and each will require a unique answer. Once done with this page, we will click the Continue button. Step 2 of the process would be to validate the information you are submitting to the system. So please read this page carefully. If you notice something that needs to be changed, you may use the Edit button at the bottom of the page. If everything looks right, click on the Submit button. Step 3 of the process is to have your account successfully registered with the system. Once that is done, it will display a confirmation page. As you can see, it tells you that the information was submitted and that the system has generated an email and a confirmation page. The fourth and final step in setting up your account is to click the link in the email you receive to activate your newly created account. Clicking on the validation link will bring you back to the eAuthentication system and confirm your account is created. Once you've returned to our site's page, you can use the Login with eAuth account button at the bottom of our About page. This will send you to the eAuthentication login. When you submit your user ID and password, the eAuthentication system validates your identity. You can expect to be routed back to the Training Tracker tool automatically. We need to return to our tools page. The very first time you log in, we will need to set up your Professional Standards Training Tracker tool user profile. Please see our video about that process. After your user profile is set up, you will go directly to our homepage when you log in. If needed, we have helpful videos available inside our system under the Help menu on a range of topics. As a reminder, please use the help email at cnpntab@fns.usda.gov for any questions or challenges you might have while using our website. Thank you for viewing.